Absolutely. Here's a full, human-like, engaging, and expert-level review script for your YouTube channel. Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore products with honesty, insight, and a deep dive into what really works for your skin. Today, I'm taking a closer look at a skincare icon that many of you have probably heard about, the Proactiv 3-Step Acne Treatment Kit. This is a complete system designed to tackle acne head-on, from cleansing to treatment, all in just 3 steps a day. So let's start with what's inside this kit. You've got the renewing cleanser, the revitalizing toner, and the repairing treatment. The cleanser uses finely milled benzoyl peroxide to penetrate deep into pores, targeting acne-causing bacteria. The toner helps remove residual impurities and prep the skin for treatment, while the repairing treatment aims to clear existing blemishes and prevent new breakouts. It's marketed for both teens and adults, and even for sensitive skin, which is an important factor if you struggle with irritation from other acne treatments. Now, jumping into my personal experience, this system is very straightforward to incorporate into a daily routine. The cleanser has a gentle foaming texture that doesn't strip the skin completely, which I appreciate, because over-drying can be a huge problem with benzoyl peroxide products. The toner feels refreshing without being harsh, and the spot treatment is thick enough to target blemishes, but doesn't leave an overly sticky residue. Over a few weeks of testing, I noticed that blemishes didn't seem to escalate as quickly, and skin texture appeared smoother in areas I treated consistently. That said, if your skin is extremely sensitive, starting every other day might be wise to avoid dryness or redness. What I love about this kit is the simplicity. 3 products, 3 steps, 1 routine. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, which is always a plus for anyone on the go. On the downside, some users might find the benzoyl peroxide concentration a bit strong, leading to dryness or flaking if moisturization isn't maintained. Also, it doesn't contain additional hydrating ingredients, so pairing with a gentle moisturizer is key. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the system is comprehensive, easy to follow, and effective for mild to moderate acne. It's backed by decades of industry experience and has a proven track record. The negative? Dryness for sensitive skin, potential irritation if used excessively, and for some, the routine might feel slightly repetitive compared to more modern multifunctional serums or hybrid products. In terms of value, the Proactiv 3-Step Kit isn't the cheapest acne solution on the market, but considering it's a full system designed to prevent and treat breakouts, the price is justified if you're committed to a consistent routine. Compared to standalone benzoyl peroxide creams or spot treatments, this kit provides a structured approach that many find helpful in establishing a daily skincare habit. If you're exploring alternatives, there are other benzoyl peroxide systems like Neutrogena Rapid Clear or La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo, which are slightly more affordable but might not offer the complete 3-step routine. However, for those who value a tried-and-true system and like having everything designed to work together, Proactiv remains a solid choice. Overall, the build quality and longevity are reliable. The products are well formulated, and the kit is structured to last roughly 30 days. Packaging is durable and simple, making it easy to use daily without mess or fuss. Before we wrap, let me ask, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. So, what's the final verdict? If you struggle with acne and want a structured, easy-to-follow system that addresses both current blemishes and future breakouts, the Proactiv 3-Step Kit is worth considering. It's not the gentlest for extremely sensitive skin, but it delivers consistent results when used correctly. For anyone looking for a clear, practical routine, this is a strong contender. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this kit, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, the link to purchase the product can be found in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you want, I can also craft a punchy mid-review hook version that's optimized for watch-through rates and SEO while keeping the flow authentic. Do you want me to do that next?